I have been studying HITFILM Express for the past hour and I've gathered some cool stuff that you and me, oh sorry, not me, but you only need.
Open HITFILM Express and import your video. Now just make a composition by clicking your video and pressing the shortcut Ctrl+M. So now move to the time where you want to have the freeze frame and press C. That is the shortcut for the tool for cutting the cut tool. Okay, so now cut, and before you do anything else, go to the options and export the frame to the folder that you're not going to forget. Now just import the frame and put it in the timeline. Make the frame to only last for about 3 seconds and then drag that last part of your video to the end of the frame. Click the frame and Ctrl+M to make it a new composition because we want to work with this frame alone. So do that. Now zoom in and start to mask the object. Here for me it's a day, so yeah. Now if you're a beginner, you don't need to make it perfect, but in case you want it to be perfect, just right click the mask point and press unlocked curve. Now you can mask properly, but yeah, don't worry about it. Now that you are done, duplicate the video with the shortcut Ctrl+D and then go to the controls and invert the mask so that we can have the background. Now we want to animate the first mask, that is the day only and not the background. So press the keyframe on scale and go to like the middle, and put the size to about 134. After that, just go to the end and put it back to 100 so that we have something like this. Now we want to make the background black, so we go to the preset and go to film looks and then we choose black and white. You can also choose different presets, but I want black and white because it's black and white. Yeah, we are done. Now to just give it sort of a cartoon look, we just go to the stylers and look for the posterize effect and then just put it on the day, and there you go. Now I'm not going to cover about the text effect because there are many tutorials about text. You can check the link below. There are many good tutorials about text in HITFILM Express. So yeah. Make a composition and make a layer. The color I'll put orange. You should have the lighter one on top and the darker one down. Now select a masking tool and put the following, but remember you can always tweak according to your likings. Man, on points put at least 12 or 16 or 20. You can put whatever you want on points, but remember, make them mainly. On ratio, we want the ratio to be small because the bigger the ratio, the bigger the circle is, and we want the circle to be smaller. So put about 12%, you know what I'm saying? Now on radius, we should have thin rows. So yeah, you know what to do, nigga. Now if you want to put the circle at the side, you just drag it. But then go to the setting of the mask and scale it hard. Now to make it rotate, go to the rotate settings, put a keyframe and go to the end and put a 1 just like that. Yeah. Oh shit. So now remove all the keyframes, man. Remove them. Now go to the mask and then go to the transform and then go to the rotation and just do that. Now the last part, don't miss this one. Subscribe and like, cause it's hard to write this, man. It's even boring to to do the voiceovers. Who knew? I can't even close my eyes. I don't know why. Guess I don't like surprise.